Come on, you gotta tell me what they taste like.
They taste like a 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10? What you got? What you give it?
Quite gonna add 5 million.
What?
1 million out of
1 million out of 1 million?
Yeah.
Wow. Alright, welcome back. Today I'm about to show y'all how to make some of the best burgers you ever tasted. Look at her, she down here wallowing around. So we gonna get these burgers started so y'all can see. Okay, let's get the ingredients right for everything we gonna need. First of all, get a pack of ground beef. Get about 2 pounds or so. Minced garlic, salt, pepper, and accent, or 1-to-1-to-1 mix. I use this on a lot of things, so I just pre-mix it. And in case y'all don't know what accent is, this is accent. So salt, pepper, and accent, 1-to-1-to-1 mix in here. Tony's Sassery, Progresso breadcrumbs, Worcestershire sauce. I got a little sweet and smoky. Sometimes you might want to put a little garlic blend or a little herb blend, whatever you want, whatever you think you might like, you know. But I'm using sweet and smoky this time. 3 eggs, green onion. This is crucial. A lot of green onion. I say about a cup. Love garlic. Let's put about I like to do like a 2-finger scoop. Why not times 2 the breadcrumbs in? See, this is about half of the thing. I typically want about half of it. Get this, the garlic and herb breadcrumbs specifically. That's the ones I love. Bust the meat out. That's what she said. What you laughing at, Ava? You better not be laughing at me. Huh? Oh, you off? Girl, if you wanna get out of here. No. It's the Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna put about 1.5 ounces. And I'm pouring from the heavy side. I like doing this. I like controlling my pour. Sweet smoky. Go ahead and get my eggs. No. Let's go ahead, start mixing this up. Go ahead and heat the scoop. Get back, Ava. Make sure it's all blended in there real good. Look at that green onion all in there. Looking real nice. Time to start putting it in patties. The way I like to put it in patties, I like to roll it in like giant meatballs and then flatten them out and then round them off after. Right, here we go. The patties are all made. Got them patty-tized. 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 Now we're about to go ahead and throw them in here. Here we go. Take these churn. They plate. Yeah, come on. This one yours. Or this Olivia's. It's yours, Aiden. Right there. Let me know what them burgers taste like, y'all.
Hey, get me at the
Come on, you gotta tell me what they taste like.
They taste like a 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10. Hey, you bit the burger yet? Oh, okay, you did bite it. What you got? What you give it?
Cajun apple.
What? 1 million out of 1 million? Wow. Let me get an inside visual of that hamburger, Aiden. Oh man, look at that. Yes indeed, yes indeed.
Click that button. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Just click it. Click it right now. Yeah.